Hi, welcome to Land and Heart Yoga Teacher Training. I want to explain what the program is all about and why it's worth it for you to sign up for 200-hour online yoga teacher training. My program is all about connection and gratitude to the land that we occupy and to each other through heartfelt feeling. So wherever you are, whatever your story is, this practice is available for you. Land and Heart Yoga, it will guide you to connect to others through yoga and to connect through the land through heartfelt feeling. So the first thing we'll practice for ourselves. We will live our yoga, and this means daily asana practice, daily pranayama, daily meditation. Living our yoga, we'll figure out what yoga means in our own circumstances. And then the next step is to discuss how to teach yoga to each other. So this is to give our yoga, and this is practicing this. There'll be a lot of practice teaching to each other, a lot of critical and constructive feedback from you to your peers, and from me to you, and you interacting with the material as well. At its core, the online Land and Heart Yoga Teacher Training includes physical, emotional, and spiritual practices. So the physical practices, they include pranayama and asana. Those are the poses, and that's the breath. The emotional practices, it includes community service. And the spiritual practice includes bhakti yoga and mantra, which is chanting. And you learn how to relate to people who are different from you. So for example, this is learning how to teach to pregnant women, or teach to injured students, or teach to athletes. Somehow learning heartfelt connection to people who also appreciate and embrace yoga, but who have a different context and a different point of view than you. So these elements are the technology of the practice. The poses, the breath, the community service, the mantra. That's the technology of this historical, ancient practice that we have such a privilege to apply in our modern context. And our modern context for online yoga teacher training, of course, is to use modern communication to represent this ancient practice. So the way we'll do that is through video, such as this one, and I will share video, and you will also share and upload and watch each other's videos. Online discussion, there will be asynchronous discussion that we'll use, so you can provide timely feedback to one another. Shared feedback, so that's constructive encouragement for your peers, and that's from me to you as well. And the shared feedback is truly indispensable to your journey as a stronger practitioner of yoga, or as a yoga teacher, if that's the path that you decide to take. And then the final technology that we use is a cumulative e-portfolio, and this is the growing reflection of your journey in Land and Heart Yoga Teacher Training. So the technology that we will use, the modern communication technology, we use video, online discussion, shared feedback, and a cumulative e-portfolio to represent the technology of this ancient practice, the technologies of poses, breath, community service, and mantra. Online yoga teacher training, it is for you, whatever you are, wherever you are, whatever your story, this practice is available for you.